Tired of messy spreadsheets and time-consuming data entry? Let's transform your Excel experience with powerful drop-down lists. First, we need to identify the cells where we want our drop-down lists to appear. Select these cells by clicking and dragging your mouse. Once selected, navigate to the Data tab at the top of your Excel window. In the Data Tools group, you'll find an option called Data Validation. Click on this to open the Data Validation dialog box. Within the Data Validation box, make sure you're on the Settings tab now. Click the drop-down next to Allow and choose List. This tells Excel we want to create a list of options. Next, we need to tell Excel what items should appear in our drop-down list. You have two main options. You can either type your list items directly into the source box, separating each item with a comma, or, for longer lists, you can select a pre-existing range of cells that contains your desired options. For this example, let's select a range of cells containing our product names. Simply click and drag your mouse over the cells containing your list items, and Excel will automatically populate the source field with the correct cell reference with your source selected. Click OK. And there you have it. You'll now see a small downward pointing arrow appear to the right of your selected cells. Click this arrow, and your drop-down list will appear, allowing you to select your desired option quickly and accurately. This simple feature dramatically speeds up data entry, reduces errors from typos and inconsistencies, and makes your spreadsheets incredibly tidy and easy to navigate. Give it a try in your next report.